Do you like to earn like this every month using Amazon KDP? Let me show you how. I'm in Amazon.com and I just type here kids math book and then I'm searching. Once I search, when I scroll down, I'll see all those books, how much they sold. It's 5,292. This book 7,000 plus, 10,000 plus, 17,000 plus, and let's see more, and 19,000 plus, 37,000 plus, 29,000 plus, and 19,000 plus, and many more. I'm selecting one book and see how much they earn every month. For that, I'm copy this BSR and I'm using free tool to calculate that called Amazon KDP book seller calculator. So the bestseller rank, I'm clicking here and pasted this BSR what I copied, and now I'm turn on this royalty calculator. We have to give the other information correctly in from here. In this book, what we saw, $9.99. I'm clicking this book and see how many pages. It's 113 pages. So now we can see how much they earn. Every day they earn $121, and every month they earn within this book $3,636 every month. I will show you how to make this math book within 10 minutes, including a book cover, nice book cover, and then you can upload that to Amazon KDP. Every day, if you work 1 hour for that, even every week you work 1 hour for this work, then you can generate 5 books for every week. And think about these 5 books generate this kind of amount for every month. That means you can multiply this for 5, then you earn every month $18,180. There is a 2 method we can use to make this kind of math book. One is a manual method. The manual method, actually we need to use tools like Canva or Photoshop, whatever which is easy for you. If that, you have to add everything manually. For that you need a time. If you go with the manual process, you cannot do this work within a 10 minutes. Because of that, I'm using another tool which is allowed 3-day free trial. It's BookBolt. BookBolt offers puzzle creating facilities, and you can generate thousands of puzzles without any limitation. First, you need to make a free account in a BookBolt. This 197, that's a lifetime offer, including all future updates as well. These are all tutorials. You can go one by one and see how every tool is working here. BookBolt is not only offer the puzzle creating facilities, they use other tools as well. You can check one by one. Here I'm gonna show you how to make this math book. So I'm click here to this human icon, and then you have to come here, BookBolt Studio. Once you enter here, you need to go to here and click the project, click new project. Then you need to select and give some informations before you generate your book. Here the project type, you can select paperback, a cover and interior, and a paperback cover, or you can go through that. If you select paperback cover, it only shows paperback cover. Select paperback interior, which means it comes only with the interior. So I'm clicking both of that. The project name, this book size could be 8 to 10 inches, and I'm selecting here black and white interior. If you like to change any, you can change as your preference. So the page numbers, how many pages you like to add, how many puzzles you like to add. Here we are adding puzzles and the answers as well, which means if you add a 50 puzzles, you have to add 50 answers. And I'm gonna here to add 101 pages because 50 puzzles and 50 answers. And after that, the last page before end that, I'll add some thank you note. So bleed or no bleed, I keep as bleed, and I'm clicking here to generate project. So once you generate project, first page is a cover page, and now you need to go ahead page template here, click on that. Now we need to go here to the pro only, because we are in the pro package. even we are in a free trials. These are the mask template. You can select whichever the mask template you want, and these mask puzzle and answers copyright free and royalty free. I'm selecting here select from, because this is 100 pages. I'm gonna use first 20 pages this pattern, and next another pattern. So I'm gonna use one, click OK, and click here to 20. Now it's selected. So next is the answers. So the answers they will select also from here to there. You don't want to select that, it's automatically will select. So click here to next. Now I'm gonna select here the color a little bit more darker. You can select whichever the color you like, but the best is dark here. And also I'm keep as all others default, and I'm click here to next. Now you see here this is the answers, and click here to submit. So once you click that submit, after that you will see it already generated. Now we bring to scroll down and see the answers, how look like the answers, and this is the task and this is the answer. It comes exactly after the 20 pages. So we can go for another style. I'm gonna click here again and click here to Pro and do the same process. I'm gonna select this time this style called honeycomb mask and click in here, and now select again, select from, it's 41 to 61 with the best. Click here, and the answers already pasted there. Click the submit button, and you can see how look nice this. And if you scroll down, and you can see the answers as well. Answers should be end with 82nd page, I believe. So here are some of the answers. I want to generate another 9 puzzles. Now we already generated all the puzzles. You can add it thank you note, something like that if you like. I mean, it's not a must, but generate, you if you're not familiar to typing with any, you can use ChatGPT and use basic prompt, and you can generate that and copy and paste it here. And I put these stars and all those from here because the book bolt, I want to tell you these things they have to improve. Book bolt don't have much elements to add at this. So because of that, I believe if you want to make nice book cover for your books, you must need to use some other tools like Canva. I'm gonna show you how to do this. First you need to, this is the book cover template, so I'm gonna make it nicer. For that I'm using a Canva. You need to go to KDP cover calculator. From this cover calculator you need to give your basic informations. Binding time is a paperback, that's what we did. Interior type black and white, the white paper. In directions left right, the measurements unit, inches, interior size is 8 to 10, page count we already make 101 pages. Okay, to calculate dimension, this is the full cover size. Click here to custom size. Now go to this page again and see this is the size. Width is inches, it's showing 16.477. From here we need to download that. Click here to download template. It's downloading with a zip file. You need to extract that. After extract that, you need to bring this here to Canva. You need to upload that and click in here. This is the what we downloaded. Right now here we're going to design our book cover. First we need to go ahead here. This is for puzzle, actually is a mask puzzle, so we can say game or mask puzzle, whatever. Select accept this pro mark with a crown. Now we need to download this one. We need to download these as a PNG. Once you download the PNG, we need to upload here. For that you can click here to image button and click upload images. This is the book cover what we made it. Click here. Alright, now we need to fix it to match our book. Remember not to drag over these red lines. If you do this, they will not approve your book because you have to figure it out. So that's looks good. Using the basic tools I make this, but you can use premium tools or any other tools to make the book cover nicer, because book cover have to be the best, because that is the first place to see customer your book. So then only you will generate more sales. So however, we already generate our book with this book generate, except the book cover, generating these books is take only 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes. So now we need to download this. Click on here to download. You need to click here to download current project, not pages. If you select the pages, only for select this page. So I'm click here to current project. Now 102 pages including the cover page. We will see how look like that. Extract. I'm clicking here to extract. Right here, this is paper cover. Here is the interior. This is the interior number 1, number 2. You can see that's the answers. So it's pretty good. And the last page including our thank you messages as well. The page cover is always giving separate, because you have to upload page cover separately to the Amazon KDP. This is the page cover what I made it using a free Canva tools. But if you have a Canva Premium or any other software, if you're good with that, you can make this way better than that. Now the next step is uploading this to KDP. It's not a big issue. Just go ahead and create a KDP account first. If you don't know how to create a KDP account, I put the link in the description. Step by step I will explain how to make KDP account, and thereafter you can upload that. Uploading is not a hard task, it's very simple. Previously I already made it, how to upload some ebooks and how to upload the paper books like that. So you can go through this video as well. If not, you can search YouTube. Other content creators also, they make bunch of videos. You can gain more knowledge. Hopefully this video helpful for you, and if you like, you can put a thumbs up. If you have any doubt, leave a comment in the comment section and share this video if you think it's good for others as well. So thanks for watching. See you next video.